Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S60. In this video I'll show you how to activate and manage cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Press this knob to enable cruise control. Now accelerate to desired speed and press minus button to set it. Now you can let the acceleration pedal go. To increase speed limit, press plus button. To decrease it, press minus button. To pause it, press 0 button and press reverse button to reset it to first set speed. To disable cruise control, press this button again. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.